how to fix the application load error on Steam. So you're typically going to see this error message when you're trying to launch a game. Now I'm going to show you 3 different ways on how to fix this. So first, just go and close out of the Steam application and make sure it's completely shut down from the taskbar. You'll then need to open up your start menu, go and search for the word Steam and right click on the app and press open file location. You could then right click on Steam and press open file location. Now you'll then see this application called Steam, right click on it and press properties. Now select compatibility and select run this program as an administrator. You'll then need to press apply and OK. And whilst we're on this window, we're going to right click on Steam and then just press copy. You could then double click on the app to open up Steam. Now once you have Steam open, click on library and go and locate the game that you're having issues running. You then need to right click on your game and press manage and press browse local files. Now what we need to do is right click somewhere in the blank space and go and press paste. As you can see, this will paste over the Steam application. You could then try launching your game from this window and you can check to see if that solves the issue. Now if it's still not working, there is one final solution. Click on Steam at the top of the page and press settings. From the left hand side, click on downloads and then you'll need to scroll down to clear cache and click on this. Now press confirm. You can then wait for Steam to restart. You will need to re-sign back into your account and that should have now solved the application load error.